I would disagree with you on holding back. I'd like to make a motion that we put Ms. Paterna in contempt of this committee until such time that she tells us the truth about the corporation. So I move, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Ms. Paterna, may motion na po. Naintindihan mo ba yung contempt motion ni Chairman Abante? Do you understand? Alam mo po ba yon?
Hindi po.
Pag sinight ka ng contempt dito sa House, you will be detained. No? Ngayon, yung contempt is part of our internal rules, Section 11 of our internal rules. At alam mo ba yung violation mo?
Hindi po.
Oh, your violation is paragraph C of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer important questions from the members of this committee. In short, you are lying.
Pasensya na po kayo. First time ko po kasi parang kinakabahan po ako.
Hindi,
Tsaka hindi
kaya
po
nga,
ako
kaya nga
sanay.
in-explain ko sa iyo. So you now understand the consequences of your refusal to answer pertinent questions.
I would withhold the motion if right now Ms. Paterna will tell the truth.
Siguro, Dennis Cunanan, andyan si Dennis Cunanan eh. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Dali po, Mr. Chairman, di pa ko tapos eh. Ano po si Dennis Cunanan?
Nakikita ko po si Sir Dennis.
Oh, nakikita mo.
Opo.
Oh, pero Dennis, that time, di ba, si Ms. Paterna is associated not with Lucky South 99, but with Whirlwind.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Ms. Paterna, do you confirm dating Whirlwind ka?
Ang alam ko po, Whirlwind yung dati, tapos parang ang pagkakalam ko po, naglipat lang po. Parang naging Lucky South.
Hindi, Ms. Paterna, you first sign a document doon sa lease agreement na pinakita kanina ni Congressman Adyong, representing Whirlwind. Sa kabila, Kasandraong. Tapos, yung bagong amended lease contract, ikaw na yung nandun sa Lucky South 999. Tapos si Kasandraong nandun po sa Whirlwind.
Lucky South lang po yung natatandaan kong pinipirma.
Oh, now you're lying again. Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt for violation of Section 11, paragraph C